Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Format menu. Let's begin. There are 4 sections. First section is Adjust. Second section is Picture Styles. Third section is Arrange. And fourth section is Size. Let's begin with first section, that is Adjust. We can remove background from image. Under Corrections, we can sharpen or soften, adjust brightness or contrast, or use picture corrections options. Under Color, we can adjust color saturation, color tone, recolor, more variations, set transparent color, and use picture color options. Under Artistic Effects, we can add different artistic effects, or use artistic effect options. We can compress pictures, change picture. Under Reset Picture, we can reset picture, or reset picture and size. Next section is Picture Styles. We can use different picture styles. We can add picture borders, using theme colors, standard colors, no outline, more outline colors, weight, and dashes. We can add picture effects, using preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, and 3D rotation. We can set picture layout, with different layouts. Next section is Arrange. We can bring forward, with options Bring Forward and Bring to Front. We can send backward, with options Send Backward, Send to Back. We can display selection pane, or hide selection pane. Under Align, we have Align Left, Align Center, Align Right, Align Top, Align Middle, Align Bottom, Distribute Horizontally, Distribute Vertically, Snap to Grid, Snap to Shape, and View Grid Lines. Under Group, we can group, regroup, or ungroup. Under Rotate, we can rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal, and use more rotation options. Next section is Size. Under Crop, we can crop, crop to shape, crop with aspect ratio, fill, and fit. We can shape height and shape width. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.